Yeah, just to chime in first, I feel like AI is a really good co-pilot, right? And it's a really good time saver. I think for a while, content marketers spend a lot of time thinking about we have to build briefs and lead content creation, understand where people are, what they're looking for, uncover all of those insights and more. And I feel like the way that we're trying to use AI is to save us time so we can actually focus on integrating our content strategy with, to your point, like audience segmentations, understand, exactly like who we're talking to. And also consumers are getting more like they want tailored experiences, they want personalized experiences, and we need to be able to kind of like get to that level of sophistication. And to your point, David, there's a lot of like integration that's happening right now with we have an in-house insights team, so we're doing a lot of kind of like deep analysis into segment, what they're looking for, where should we be looking at data. And so allowing us to kind of like take that time to do that versus a lot of the keep the lights on and all the work that we're doing is a really good solve that we're finding to utilize AI in a way that will help us, but also allow us to have quality and ground ourselves in our strategy. Because the truth is, brands who consider content part of their holistic strategy are for sure set up for success. But if content exists in a silo, that's where you really hit that stage where you're just creating content for the sake of creating content. And then there's the whole, like reputation, trustworthiness, all the authority that you're trying to create. That's one that it's really not going to work moving forward, most likely.